Hello everyone, it's Maria here with you today, and I am back for Paper House Productions to share with you my process video on how I made this cute little Penpal flipbook. This is called A Day at the Beach Penpal flipbook, and this flipbook is going to go to my penpal in Australia. I will be using the 12 by 12 sun-drenched paper pad by Paper House Productions. That includes the sticker sheet and some journaling cards and things like that. What I'm doing here is I'm just choosing a pattern paper for my project. You will be needing about 8 pieces of 6 by 6 pattern paper, and I'm just adhering them together so that my pages are sturdy. There are many tutorials on YouTube, but the one that I found that was a lot easier was Scrap Diva 29's tutorial, and I will be linking her channel below. Her name is Erica and she's a friend of mine. So what you need to do is just line up both of your pattern paper together and then leave about 1/8 of an inch space between the pattern paper, and then use your washi tape to adhere them together. This will ensure that you will be able to fold your flip book without any problems, and it's not going to bulk up. What you need to do is when you close your flip book, you need to take about 1/8 of an inch on the inside pages of your flip book so that it's not going to bulk up. Since you will be decorating the pages and probably including some goodies for your pen pal, then you really need to have enough space so that when you close it, it's not going to bulk up. And for the sake of time, this video is sped up, and I apologize for that because it would take too long if it's in normal speed. But don't worry, because at the end of the video, when I'm done decorating the pages, then I will do a slow motion when I open the flip book so that you will be able to see the whole book. So I'm going to be putting some music on now for you so that you can just enjoy the process, and I will be back before the end of the video. So this is what it looks like when you open the flipbook. On the left side, I added the journaling card, and those journaling cards are included in the paper pad, and they are amazing. I added that die cut there just to decorate the page a little bit, and when you open the left side, you will find another journaling card that I grounded with my Copic multi-liner, just so it doesn't look like it's floating there. And then that shaker element there is so much fun because my pen pal will be able to take it out if she wants to and use it for her planner or travel journal. And I added that sun-kissed sentiment. And on the right side, another journaling card. I added that starfish sticker also from the paper pad. And then on the inside, my pen pal will find my letter that I will be putting in this envelope, and I will be adding some embellishments for her so that she can use it for her planner or her flipbook or her travel journal. And then on this side, I added another journaling card with the stick-on pockets also by the Paper House. This will enable her to either add another photograph or another journaling card or a tag so that she can journal about her photographs or her day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I will be listing all of the supplies that I use in the description box below. Please use coupon code PH18Maria for 15% off your order at the Paper House Production website. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I really do appreciate it. And thanks again for joining me. Have an amazing day and happy crafting!